Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to an Femitech video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm gonna actually show you how to connect this Behringer compressor. So it is the Multicom Pro X MDX 4600 model. So this is the unit right here, the ones that actually showing the green and orange color light. So I already hooked it up, so I'm just going to show you just one way of hooking it up or connecting to your sound system or your PA system. Of course, it comes with 4 channels. As for my setup, presently I'm only utilizing one channel. I'm utilizing channel 4 right there. Basically, just turn on the lights and the other 3 channels. So in terms of you getting this unit up and running, now as you can see, actually this is my Behringer mixer. So I will be actually using the accent and return. I will be using number 1 for this setup. All right, so let's go in terms of showing you how I connect it. So let's remove these so you can actually see what's going on there. Right, so at the top there, this is the accent for number 1. So of course this is a quarter jack right there. So this red one there right there. So this is what I'm gonna take the signal out of my mixer board. I'm gonna take the signal to the back of the Multicom Pro X right unit there. So again, the accent gonna take the signal from the mixer and actually put it in the input for channel 4 and the Multicom Pro X compressor right here. And of course there's a output, also quarter jack. So this one actually coming from the output of the Multicom Pro X and now going into the return section or return number 1 there for this mixer. So that's how the signal actually goes. So again, red one, accent, that's number 1, take the signal from the mixer and then take it to the Multicom Pro X, which of course going to do all of the processing. Once the processing complete, then I'm gonna plug a next quarter jack into the output for channel 4 and return it to the mixer at number 1 at the top there. Now, by using the accent and return, there's an advantage, meaning that all of these channels will be able to benefit from the processing of this unit. And of course, there is a key that actually control each channel in terms of how much processing this processor will be doing. Again, guys, this is just one way of connecting it. You can also use up the insert section on the back of this mixer. So mixers that comes with insert, you can use up that functionality also. So again, this is just one way of connecting this Behringer Multicom Pro X. Again, it is the MDX4600 model. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, I'll be doing other videos showing you how to actually tune up, how to actually use this unit. Just this video is to just show you the connection, how to get it connected to your PE system. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Remember to click on that subscription button and of course leave your comments in the comment section of the video. Femitech is out of here.